Hello everyone, this is Pavitra, Assistant Professor, Department of EC, Electronics and Communication and SNS College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to see about the topic logical operation using 8086. 8086 is nothing but a microprocessor. The basic processor is 8085. After that, the next processor is 8086. Let us see what is microprocessor. Microprocessor is nothing but it is a single IC which is used to process the data. So that is called as a microprocessor. Micro is nothing but the small IC. We are going to process with the using of this IC. It is called as a microprocessor, and we have also microcontroller. But today video we are going to see about a microprocessor. In that microprocessor, we are going to do some programming. That is a logical operation using 8086. In the microprocessor, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also the logical operation. You know very well about ALU. ALU is nothing but the arithmetic and logical unit. The arithmetic is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logic is nothing but and, or, not. These are all the logical operations, right? So then, arithmetic. In the next class, we will see the arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we are going to see about the logical operation using 8086. First of all, we want to know what are the what I have written here. First of all, this is MOV. MOV is nothing but it is an instruction. So what I will tell you what is instruction. Before that, we want to know command. Command is nothing but so commanding someone, right? We are giving some instruction. We are giving some command to please come here, like that. We are commanding. So that is a normal word. But for the microprocessor, it does not don't know the language, so we are going to give the instruction to the microprocessor. That is called instruction. So MOV is called as a instruction, and AND is called instruction, OR is instruction, XNOR is an instruction, and N0 is instruction, and HLT is an instruction. So we know very well logical operation. We are going to take the fourth thing here. It is AND, OR, XOR, and NOT. So these are the four logical operations we are going to take. And next one more thing is AX, BX and CX. So the AX is nothing but the accumulator. What are the process we are doing, that is going to store in this AX, okay? And BX and CX and DX are called as instructions, okay? These are all, this A, B, C, D, these are all called all are instructions. What is the meaning of this X means? It is a 16-bit data, okay? 16-bit data we are denoted in X value, okay? So first of all, move AX 1200. So for example, for logical operation we need two input. For example, we are using AND, OR, and for not only we have only one input. For AND, OR and all we need two inputs, right? So for that, for the first input I am going to keep it the first data, first value in 1200H, and we are going to move it in the AX. So for the first data I am going to keep it in this 1200 address. The H is here, the microprocessor all will have a hexa values. So here the first value is going to transfer into the AX. That is a move, okay? And the second values I am going to keep it in 1220H, and I am going to move it in the BX register. And then the third one, what I am going to do is already the data came here, AX and BX, we directly go for the AND gate. What is the AND will do? It will multiply the two values. So before that, whatever the operation we are performing, we should keep it in one temporary register, that is called C register. So this AX denotes the accumulator. The accumulator value, for example, here it is 10 means 1 into 0 is a 0. So the 0 value is going to move it in the CX. And then what next step is AND. So we are going to, already we have the first data in AX and the second data in BX. So it's going to add, so it's going to AND it. After that, I am going to give, this is the program for AND gate. Next I am going to have this, see here, AND AX BX. So the value will be ANDed, and then it will keep it in a AX value. So what will happen? The AX have some value. For example, 10 means it will be a 0. So the 0 will be in a AX register, and that will move to the 1300H. Okay, up to this the AND operation will be over. Next we are going for the move operation. The move operation, as I said, so CX is one of the register, AX is one of the register. So the CX and the CX value is moving to the AX value. So now we are going to OR the value. The BX value is going to the AX value, and then what is going to do? there will be an OR operation, and then the answer will be stored in the accumulator. This value going to transfer into 1302 and this moving CX. And the remaining this XOR move and move AX, AX not, these are all things we can see it in the next class. I hope you understand this video. So this is a very simple program for the logical operation and the OR. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.